Hey, hello guys, I'm Jonny Tech and welcome to my channel. This is one of the first times I'm gonna do this kind of videos in English. So this is part of my channel where I'm going to talk about motorcycle accessories. So, otherwise, sorry for my rubbish English. I'm Portuguese, I'm from Portugal, and I want to show you my reviews about some motorcycle accessories. So anyway, today I'm gonna bring you a helmet. So this is an open helmet for retro bikes or for scooters. So this helmet, it's the Armor helmet. It's the brand of the helmet. It's the AV-47. So well, let's stop talking and show the helmet. So the first thing where you got it is this thing where you put it on your helmet. So this will shield a little bit, you know, from the sun. I don't know. It's kind of a police thing, you know, US police, or I don't know. So there we go. Police, no, police. Police, okay, police. So anyway, let's continue. Here we go, the helmet. You have this bag, so you can store your helmet if you want. So, but we don't need it for now. And there we go. So there's a certification, got certification for use in Europe, so you can perfectly use this helmet in Europe with no problem. This one is the M size, so for my head it's perfect. But you have a lot of other size like the S, the L, the N above if you have a bigger head. Depends on of your shape, right? So for me in my case, I use this one. One thing I really don't like much, but I prefer to have it in the back of the helmet. It's the brand. So having the brand here in the front, it's something that I really, well, I dislike a little bit, right? So here would be much better looking, so you don't have it right in front of it. So resistance of this helmet, well, it's a little bit, I don't know, it moves, but probably it's like this. So if you crash, nobody wants to crash, but if you crash, have it like this, it's probably better. Talking about the interior, it's totally removable. You can remove this interior to wash or to clean. Depends of the use you give it to your helmet, but sometime after you're still using your helmet, you know, you have always to clean it a little bit. It's hygienic. So it's a quick release fastening, so you just put it and go. It's very, very, very easy to open it. So about the use and how it looks on your head, it's like this. So here we go again. We're gonna clip it right there and we're gonna remove it. Very simple to do it. And it's also very easy to take out of your head and always mess with your hair. All the helmets, they do that. So about the colors, this is not the only colors. This is the matte black one. You still have glossy reds. You have glossy with these Italian colors on top. Yes, because this is Italian helmet. They are made in Italy. So if you are really interested in this kind of helmets, I will leave down there. Just go there in the description. I will leave a link to the company that sells this kind of helmets. Or you just go to armor-helmets.com and you can find them there. So they don't only have these ones, they have another type of helmets, the closed helmets, the race helmets, and another also another type of open helmets. There we go. So I want just to compare to another helmet that I have, just to show you the difference between them. So I have this helmet. It's the Viper, and the Viper have this. Let me show you. Have this screen there. You see, for the sun, it's perfect, and it's a little bit heavier and bigger because it's the M size too, but it's bigger, okay? And normally some of these helmets, when you put them like this and you want to put glasses, they will give you some problems with the glasses. So in this case it's perfect, it fits really amazing. The glasses don't come up like this, you are trying to put them down and the helmet push them up like this. So these ones look perfect with glasses. Also, if you want to use some of these kind of Googles, you know, retro ones, it's perfect. It works really well. Again, you can close it and you can open so easily. It's really great, and always mess with your hair, whatever. So about the build of this helmet, this is a thermoresin or thermoplastic helmet. It's not carbon or other kind of fibers. No, it's a resin helmet. Of course, it's an helmet that you can buy for 59 or 60 euros, so it's not an expensive helmet. So don't think you're buying the super whatever helmet. No, just think about the price. You, of course, you have helmets for huge prices, but I think for the price it's a really good product. As I said, I'm gonna leave a link there in the down there in the description. If you want to check for other models of helmets, it's up to you. Guys, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your patience with my perfect English. And well, I see you in the next video, and just don't forget to leave the big like there, and of course don't forget to subscribe. That is very important for me. You know, there's a bell next to the subscriber button. Just press the bell and you get all the notifications of my next videos. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.